Yes, it's on the way up. It's on the way up. I did a little modification. Stuff to look like it wasn't sealed. Reran the purge line. That's what that is. Brake line. Get some more stuff. It's all ran no. It's just a purge. It's better not to have it than to have it. Yes. It's about up there though. Do not put your jack straight on there. Put something over there. I do a lot with cars, so I know a few tricks to the trades. You know? See how adjustable that is? But yeah, that's how y'all put it up there though, right there. I'm gonna pause this and hopefully it hold. And I'll have it on there all the way. Y'all can see. Yeah, so it's up there now, y'all. I just got the jack on it, but it's up there. The strap. Yeah, you know. Got the line hooked up. I ain't started up yet. The battery's died, but I'm gonna pause it for that. I got the oil filter back on there. Gotta put them screws back in there, but yeah. This car was already cut and stuff, so I hooked the purge valve back up too. I showed y'all that. That's it right there. Connected to that. You know. Another screws right there. You know, but yeah. Bought it, had a gas leak, needed a gas tank. And a neck, filler neck